What happens if I wasn't wearing a helmet during my motorcycle accident? It's a fair question, and the answer can have serious consequences. Let's start with the law. In North Carolina, helmets are mandatory for all motorcycle riders and passengers no matter your age. It's not optional. The law requires that your helmet meet federal DOT standards, meaning it needs to be the real deal, not a novelty helmet. If you're caught without one, you could face fines, but if you're injured in a crash and weren't wearing a helmet, that's where things get legally complicated. You see, North Carolina is one of the few states that follows a contributory negligence doctrine. That means if you're found to be even 1% at fault for your own injuries, you may be completely barred from receiving any compensation. So if an insurance company can argue that your decision not to wear a helmet contributed to the severity of your injuries, even if someone else caused the accident, they'll use that against you. But here's the thing, just because you weren't wearing a helmet doesn't automatically mean you can't file a claim. It depends on the facts. If you suffered injuries that a helmet would not have prevented, like a broken leg, spinal trauma, or internal injuries, the lack of a helmet may not be relevant. And even in a head injury case, we fight to show that the primary cause of the accident was someone else's negligence, not your decision about a helmet. On the flip side, if you were wearing a helmet and still suffered a traumatic brain injury or severe concussion, that does not weaken your case. It strengthens it. It shows you did everything you could to stay safe, and the fault lies entirely with the negligent driver. That's important when we present your story to the insurance companies, juries, and judges. At Auger Auger, we believe motorcyclists deserve the same protection and respect as anyone else on the road, and that includes after an accident. We understand the stigma that bikers often face in courtrooms and claims offices, and we know how to push back when the insurance companies try to place unfair blame on our client. If you've been injured in a motorcycle crash, whether or not you're wearing a helmet, we're here to help you understand your rights and options. Call us today for a free consultation. We will take a look at your case and give you an honest, experienced guidance. And with our A&A 0 fee guarantee, you don't pay anything unless we win your case.